In this video, I'm going to show you how to write references in IEEE format. Let's open a Microsoft Word document. Suppose this is the document that I have taken as an example. Bring your cursor to where you want to write your reference. In the title bar, click on Reference. In the menu bar, click on Style. Change the style to IEEE 2006. Now, we need some references. Let's minimize this app and go to the Google Chrome web browser. This is an article that I have opened previously. Fortunately, this website provides citations for the article, but many websites don't have this option. To get the citation for any article, select and copy the article title. Open a new window in the browser. In the search bar, search for Google Scholar. This is the website that we are looking for. The link to this website will also be attached in the description. On the website, paste the title and click on the search icon. At the bottom of the article, click on the citation icon. Here, you will get the citation in every popular format. Now minimize and resize this window to the side of the display. Open your document. In the menu bar, click on Insert Citation. In the drop-down, click on Add New Source. Now you have to enter the citation information here. In the pop-up, click on Edit. Open the Google Chrome window and copy the author names from there. Paste the names in the pop-up. After every name, click on Add. Add all the author names following this step. After you are done, click on OK. Add the title of the article here. Now add the year, city, and publisher information from the citation. After you are done, click on OK. Here, you can see a citation indicator. Now, go to the end of the document. In the menu bar, click on Bibliography. In the drop-down, click on the Reference section. Here, you can see that we have successfully added an IEEE-styled reference.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.